watermelon orange bowl or watermelon orange crush. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the summer dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon recipes and one of the most different of the orange recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bowl recipes and one of the most different of the crush recipes and one of the most unique of the orange crush recipes. Today we're going to make sweet watermelon orange crush or sweet watermelon orange bowl. We have taken around 200 to 250 grams of watermelon and 150 grams of orange, which we have cut and taken off from the peel. Now cut through the red flesh of the watermelon and separate it from the green shell. Cut the red flesh into small pieces this way. Separate the red portion of the watermelon from the green shell. Do this until all the watermelon pieces are the red flesh is separated from the shell. Now put in the orange pieces into the grinder. Close and grind well. Now pour in the orange that we ground in the grinder. Squeeze out the juice. Thoroughly squeeze out the juice. Now squeeze until all the juice is squeezed out. Put in 2 to 3 spoons of sugar. You can add more or less sugar as you want. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Until all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Now the watermelon orange bowl or watermelon orange crush is ready and can be served. This is the final watermelon orange bowl or watermelon orange crush. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the orange recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon recipes and one of the most delicious of the crushed recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the summer drink recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.